and this. Okay, we're going to find the list of possible suspects. List of all possible zeros. It doesn't mean they're all zeros, guys. Remember, this is a 4th degree on this one. The maximum number of zeros I could have, 4th degree, is 4. Okay, that means this graph can do something like this. Winnie Wood, Willow Glen. Okay, it's weird that I work at schools with W. It can have 4 zeros. But the list of possible suspects, just like in the case of my missing frog, I had 35 possibles. I ended up, and actually it was like 2 or 3 of them got together. And they ended up not taking the final. I didn't make them take the final because I thought that was ingenious. All right, list of all possibles. Don't steal my frog and think you're going to get the same result. Okay, because they've changed the laws since then. First time offenders get exiled. I need to know 2 things. I need to know the constant, which someone's going to help me in a second with that. And I need to know the leading coefficient. So right now I'm going to open up my mics to whomever chimes in, and I won't know who it is because I put you off screen. So people don't see you in my YouTube video. Oh, I saw the name John Smith. John Smith is taking math. That's all they know. They don't know where you live. They don't know what class you're in. Anyway, I'm going to keep you guys anonymous. Okay, what's my constant?
6.
Beautiful, beautiful. What's my leading coefficient?
12.
Beautiful. Was that hard for anyone? I hope not. Okay, I need to color code. So I'm going to do green and purple because I know you can see the purple. It looks black. Okay, now I've told you guys I need to get all the constant factors. Okay, let me make a little chart here. Okay, what are factors of 6? Someone bring it on and give me the factors of 6.
2 and 3.
3 and 2.
3 and 2. Okay, so 2 times 3. What else? That you're missing the key one.
1 and 6.
Thank you. 1 and 6. Those are all the factors. The only factors I have. Okay. And now what are the factors of 12?
4 and 3.
Okay. How about we do this? Let's start with 1. 1 times what would give me 12?
12.
Thank you. Okay, where's green? 1 times 12, and this is how I do it. I write 12 way out here. Now, guess what I'm going to go to? 2 times?
6.
Now, 3 times?
4.
Okay, you can see there are no other factors. I've got top to bottom. You come into the middle. I call it a rainbow again. Someone taught me this in like 7th grade, said just do this. And when we get to the middle, there are no other numbers I need to test. I've covered 1, 2, 3 and got hit 4. So then 5 is not 1, 6. I get all my factors here. Here's how you find all your possible suspects. You take all of your constant factors, every single last one of them, and you divide it individually one at a time by your leading coefficient factors. Okay, what I mean by that is I'm going to take, and I usually do this. This is how I do mine. I will write my constant factors, 1, 2, 3, and 6. I take a pencil because I'm going to erase here quite a bit. I need to divide each and every one of those. Don't think it's one big division bar. I'm thinking of these as all individuals. Okay, I'm going to divide the 1. I'm going to start with this one first. I have a ways to go to find all my list of possibles, guys. You can see this. I'm going to divide by 1. I'm going to start my list of possible suspects. Okay, 1 over 1 is 1, so I write plus or minus because we don't know if it's 1 or it's evil twin. 2 over 1 is 2, plus or minus. Plus or minus 3, plus or minus 6. That's easy. I've taken care of that 1 now. Now I go through and I erase all these. What do you think I'm going to divide by now? Go out on a limb and guess.
2.
Perfect.
2.
Okay, let's see how many I need to add to it. Did I get any new suspects? 1/2. Oh yeah, 1/2's not in our list. Plus or minus 1/2. 2 over 2. What is 2 over 2?
1.
Okay, is 1 already in our list? Yes. Okay, so this is not a suspect. Next, 3 over 2. It's not in my list. I got to add it. 6 over 2. What is 6 over 2?
It's already in the list.
It's already in the list. Okay, I'm done with my 2. Let's go on. I'm going to erase here. What number am I going to go with now? Yes.
3.
Thank you. When I pause, it is your turn. Okay, which ones do I need to add? 1/3 is not in my list. 2/3. Usually the fractional ones aren't in your list. 3 over 3 is 1. Already there. 6 over 3 is 2. Already there. So now I'm done with this one. Yes, there's a lot of work to find my possibles. Okay, but like I said, when I walked into class, I had 35 students saying I didn't do it, and I know somebody did it. That little frog didn't walk off by himself. He had assistance. It's conspiracy. Okay, again, 1/4 I'm going to add to my list. I think I've been pretty self-explanatory. 2/4. Do I need to add it, or is it already in my list? And why do you think? Tell me your reasoning. Not you, Jaslyn, somebody who hasn't answered.
It's already in your list because 1/2 equals 2/4.
Thank you. This reduces to 1/2. It's already in my list. How about 3/4? It's not in my list. I better put it. How about 6/4? Someone tell me, is it on my list or is it not? Somebody who hasn't chimed in. I'll wait, apparently. That cracked me up. Okay, 6/4 reduces to 3/2. It's already in my list. Okay, so I'm done with 4s. Guess what number I'm going to now? And this is how I suggest you do it. Get a pencil and erase. Don't make your paper all crazy like I can tend to do. I'm going to try 6 now. 1/6. Of course, if you run out of room, just go down to the next row. 1/6. 2/6 is 1/3. 1/3 is already in my list. 3/6 is 1/2. Already in my list. 6/6 is 1. As you get to the bigger numbers, there's very few you have to add because we've covered most of them already. All our usual suspects. Last one I'm going to check is 12. 1/12 obviously is not in our list yet. We're going to add it. 2/12 is 1/6. 1/6 is already in the list. 3/12 is 1/4, already in the list. 6/12 is 1/2. Okay, this is the list of all possible zeros. Pretty crazy, huh? Okay, that's all I'm asking on question number 1 is what are the possible